Hey friends, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from Plan and Go, and I do PR for her, and my code is right there, and she is actually going to be in the next TPC sale, so make sure you check out all the goodies. And the next TPC sale will be actually April 11th through the 15th, so they will be starting to do their shop giveaway things on Facebook. So go make sure you go over to the TPC sale, the Planners Collaborative sale, join them and start filling out some of those questionnaires that they have for each company that's going to be in the group, because that's your chance to win a free shop credit. So you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so the first one is I'm going to hold these out because these are so cute. I can't wait. But the first things I'm going to show you are these shower. I love them. Look, it has like the little silhouette of somebody in the shower. It's so stinking cute with all the different sizes. So that is adorable. I love me time, which I don't get a lot of, but I do want to show it off when I do. And again, in all different sizes. Self-care, definitely need that one. Again, in different sizes. Bubble bath, who doesn't need a bubble bath once in a while to melt those worries away and wash them down the drain. But look at this face. I mean, come on guys, look how cute that face is. So cute. Okay, and so those are just the little functionals that I got this time. So I want to show you the kits. I'm so excited. Okay, this first kit is called Tiki Tropic. I mean, I'm so ready. As you can hear, my husband is out there mowing the grass as I am filming, just saying, but I'm okay with it because that means it has stopped raining and it's nice enough for him to mow the grass. So I'm not going to complain. So I hope that it won't bother you. So this first one is Tiki Tropic. Look how cute that is. I cannot wait to use this. They're your full boxes. There's some glitter washi, your bottom washi, don't forget, and then some deco, date night, beach day, tiki vibes only on those two, and day off. This is so cute. Love it. Your gorgeous day covers, weekend banner, your sidebar, your habit trackers, some more washi strips, appointments, 3 check boxes, another one with glitter around it. I love these. Your bill dues, your asterisks. Then your headers with to do and little things made me smile. I always love that she has that one, and I'm going to use that on my sidebar when I use this kit. I love that. More washi strips, quarter boxes and half boxes. Your full check boxes, 2 half check boxes, check flags, your 2 flags for the corners, if you so choose. And then we're back to this, and then this also comes with this little one right here. It says this week, next week, planning time. 2 like washi strips, appointment box, and then all of your icons for social media. How cool is that? And that one is called Tiki Tropic. The next one is called Watermelon, and you will see why. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. She gives you the same thing for this one as well. And then look at this gorgeous watermelon kit. Look at these full boxes. That looks so delicious to me. There's your full boxes, your gorgeous bottom washi I love, and your washi strips, which if you can tell, they're little watermelon seeds. Some deco, errands, day off, sweet, summertime. That's a southern thing for us. Hello, summer. Your day covers, your weekend banner, which I love that it's done in, like, I always call it the picnic blanket. Your sidebars, your habit trackers, your appointment boxes, bill dues, your asterisks. And then your quarter boxes, half boxes, and your headers. And some more washi strips, which again are watermelon. And then your full check boxes, your check flags, your half checks boxes, and your cute flags for the corner. Again, watermelons. They're so cute. Oop, I about dropped it. They are so cute. Love it. Okay, so that one's watermelon. Again, another for you to put. And then this one is called, I think this one's the Beach Weekly, which I really need to get to the beach this year. And it says Happiness is the sand between my toes and the sun on my face, and that is the truth. Look at these full boxes. That kind of looks good to me too. Your bottom washi with washi strips, and then groceries, a vacuum cleaner, tennis shoe, errands, sunglasses, don't forget, trash can, coffee Monday. I actually have a whole sheet of those. Day off, an appointment box. Your beautiful weekend banner with your day covers, and again, all your sidebar. Your quarter boxes, half boxes, your headers, and some washi. Make sure I'm not, there we go. Your full boxes, your half boxes, your check flags, and your corner flags with starfish. And back to the beginning again. And then this last one is a cutie. It's called Easter Weekly, and it says hip to the hop. And then here is your icons, excuse me. Here's your full boxes. I love this because it doesn't look like any other Easter kit that I've ever had. So I love that. So full boxes, your bottom washi, which I love. It has Happy Easter all over it with bunnies. And then some washi strips, and again, the icons with, or functionals with groceries, vacuum, tennis shoes, errands, don't forget, day off, coffee Monday, etc. Your day covers with the weekend banner and sidebars, stickers. Your quarter boxes, half boxes, and your headers with some glitter headers. And then look at these cute full check boxes. They have little bunnies in there. Isn't that cute? And then the bunnies in the shadow. Your flags, your flag checks, and your half boxes right here with what was in the bottom washi. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. These are so stinking precious. Okay, so there's the kits that I got. And then the words. But are you ready for this? Not only does she do kits, not only does she do functionals and everything else, but she also does clips. And I am so excited for these. Look at these. Vacation mode. And they are of such good quality, good stitching. They never come out. I love them. So that one's awesome. Vacation mode. An airplane. Beautiful holographic bow. That's pretty. I actually can use that one on my plan with me this week. Look at the bunny. Oh my God, look at the bunny and the little tail. Oh my gosh, and the ear. Love it, love it, love it. Another holographic bow. Different color. Coffee cup. Y'all know I love me some coffee in my coffee cup. A boat. That cute little face. Another holographic bow. Beautiful. Gosh, these are beautiful. She outdid herself. A felty bow. This one's done in felt. And look at the stitching. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Another felty bow in purple. The bunny face. How adorable is that? Perfect for those kits. And this one's perfect for Mondays or Tuesdays in my world, because Tuesday is my Monday for doing hair. Meh. So she does everything, and I want you to keep up with me on this on PlannerNina_Cricket so that you know what her sales are going to be. Like I said, she's going to be in the next TPC sale, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. She is phenomenal. She is fast, and her quality is superb. Y'all do not miss out on her. She is wonderful, and she's easy to work with too as well. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this little haul with me. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and don't forget to add me on PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so that you can see all of these things as they're going. And go over there and join the Planners Collaborative on Facebook so that you can get in on some of these giveaways. All right, talk with you later. Hope you have a blessed and awesome week. Bye-bye.